a
Coba na.
this is a tow. This is a tow truck.
Then,
A tow truck means this tow truck could even tow everything cars. And suddenly, the tow truck is not towing it, it's beautiful. So it's called TRUCK, truck.
wow. Kakasabot.
What's the sabot?
Wala ko kasabot nimo.
Wala ka sabot nimo.
Wala
Wala
ko
ko
kasabot
kasabot.
nimo.
Nino.
Nimo.
Nino.
Nimo. I don't understand you.
But I told you, I said Nino, like your best friend at work, because Mama have a lot of things, and I'm gonna open Mama's door, and then and then Zero's gonna say, "See, Mama, easy peasy. I open the door, everything's all control." Okay, Mama.
Awak ko kasabot nimo.
So this is a box. The
Wa ko
box.
kasabot nimo.
This is
Unsa imong gisulti?
Stop it, Mama.
Bisaya ka ko kasabot.
Stop it, Mama.
Bisaya kay wa ko kasabot.
Oh, I said stop it, Mama.
Wala ko kasabot.
Wala kasabot.
Wala
Wala
ko
ko
kasabot.
Nino.
Wala ko kasabot.
Okay, so this is the box. The box is full of toys.
Yeah. And
The box is full of toys. So this is my car. My toy car is gonna drive, and then it's gonna drive super fast, and then it
na, wala ko kasabot. Bisaya be.
Ah,
Bisaya.
no,
Pag Bisaya kay wa ko kasabot.
no, no.
Wala ko kasabot. Pag Bisaya kay wala ko kasabot.
No.
Unsa gani to? Ha?
No, no, no.
Unsa imong gisulti? Unsa imong gisulti?
No, no, no.
Bisaya be, Bisaya be.
No, no, no.
Sige na.
No.
Pag Bisaya na. Ha?
No, no, no.
Wala ko kasabot.
No, no, no.
Uban nimong toy sa atong ihatag sa kids.
Hey, my toy car.
Atong ihatag sa kids sa uban nimong toys, okay?
No, Mama. Don't give my toys to the other kids.
Why?
That's mine.
Oh? But do you have a lot of toys?
Because I'm family. The toys were made of nothing metal.
Paddington?
Huntington is the rest of the bed because he's really nice.
Is he nice?
Yes. But look! This is a rocket ship. Because rocket ships could fly into the moon. Just go to the moon. Just go to the moon. Brother!
Now, can you play it?
Of course I could play it.
We. Bot. Sige ko, no? Unsa man kuno na. O kasabot. Sa man na ako kasabot na. Yeah. Unsa man to?
That's called the boom boom boom.
Wa ko kasabot ay.
Where's that? Ito yun.
Nak. Nak, kinsa imong papa?
Papa?
Oh.
We need to eat some papa.
Kinsa imong papa?
Kinsa imong eyeball.
Kinsa imong papa?
Papa is going to work and
Hawa
Papa
ka
is
kasabot ba? Kinsa
kinsa
imong
imong
papa?
Chubby. I mean Papa. Chubby.
Kinsa imong papa?
Um
Who is your father?
Winston.
Oh. Kinsa imong mama?
Marites.
Kasabot ka?
Sabot ka with Mama, with Marites, Papa Winston, with Winston.
Kasabot ka sa gisulti ni mama?
Oh, I know. Mama could go into dive in the water and then Mama could go to the water and her clothes will get wet. That's a good plan, Mama.
Paminaw sa ni mama.
Panigo sa Mama.
Paminaw.
Paninaw.
Paminaw.
Paninaw.
Paminaw.
Paninaw.
Pa.
Pa.
Mi.
Ni.
Mi.
Ni.
Pa.
Mi.
Pa.
Pa.
Mi.
Mi.
Now.
Now.
Paminaw.
Paninaw.
Paminaw sa ni mama bi. Oy, Bisaya bi, no English.
I said that's enough.
Oh.
That's enough, Mama. Maybe later na lang.
Paminaw sa ni mama.
I said later na lang.